lovelies! Welcome to Lovely Dolls and Toys! Today we'll be unboxing Ken BMR1959 in cool streetwear. He comes in this natural looking box. He is signature moving doll with 10 points of movement. He comes with hoodie, shorts, slippers, shoulder bag, glasses and doll stand. So let's get him out of the box. He's got honest eyes, the print is very nice, brown hair with cool bun. He's got shoulder bag with golden details. He's wearing red and orange hoodie with white sides, blue shorts with BMR 1959 logo, pattern and white stripes. There is no velcro in the back, but there is a rubber band. Slippers, they do stick to the foot pretty well. They are hard to take off, so that's nice, because they are not fallen. This is the stand with BMR 1959 sign, transparent glasses. Now look at his points of movement. He is fully articulated. He's got 10 points of movement in the neck, torso, wrist, elbow, upper arm, the hand is really soft and easy to bend, which is really nice. The leg can be also completely bended. You can do all kinds of moves and poses with him. The options are almost endless. Now we will try some random out. He can meditate, do yoga. He's just amazing. You will be really happy to have him. In my collection, he is perfect match for Ballet Barbie. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Have a beautiful day. Bye!